So today I'm going to show you how to make an origami heart. Some ones I made earlier. You need a piece of paper. I've got some coins to help me. I've got a pair of scissors to help with the first step because the piece of paper you want ideally would be a square. I've got some A4, I've got some card and some paper. I think I'm going to make a green one. Piece of A4 card. So first things first is to make a square to start on this. I just thought I'd show you how to do that. So I'm going to take the corner, fold it so that I'm making a nice straight line along there on these two edges, and so that it meets in this point in the corner. So just, card is a bit more fiddly because it's thicker, so I'm just going to hold my point in place and press it out. This is what I'm using my coin for. Just press that. Fold down when I know I've got it where I want it. And then that will give us the square. So we want to cut this bit off here. I'm going to fold again. Match that point in the corner. Keep this nice and straight along here. So I've got a 90-degree angle here. Press that down. And then just going to cut this bit off. You cut it with your scissors, or as I quite like to do, get a nice straight line. I'm going to score it again. End in a little bit with my coin. Fold it back over. I'm doing this on an old tabletop. I want to be careful there, not to scratch the wood. And then got my square. Get rid of the scissors now. There we go, square. So step one, the origami heart. Fold your square in half, vertically. Easier said than done. And horizontally. I'm just going to turn it around to make that. So we've created this cross section in the middle here. We're going to fold this bottom edge up to that middle line. I'm going to use my penny. Step 3, flip it over. Step 4, I'm going to fold these bottom corners into this centre line. A little bit like when you make a paper aeroplane, this bit. And then step 5, flip to the other side. Step 6, I'm going to fold these top corners into the centre line again. Penny again. Just use, you've got nice strong fingernails, can use those. Step 7. We're going to fold this top corner down into here, but we've got these little windows here, these little triangles, which we don't want to fold. We want to keep those intact. So we're going to bring this down inside those triangles. So I'm using the card, it's a little bit more difficult because it's thicker. So I'm just going to keep on pulling that up to meet these two bits here, and then I'm going to press these corners down here. So you made another triangle here, but you've still got your triangles in the edges. That's the fiddly bit, I think. And then we're just going to use my smaller coin to just get into those corners. Okay. And press those down. So now we've got step 8. Take these two corners, I'm going to fold them in. Step 9. And take these corners here. And this corner here. You know, this isn't perfect, but none of us are, right? If you've used paper, you might find it a bit easier, but I like the colours of the card, and that's what I've got at home. So we're nearly there. Last step, just going to take this little top point and fold that over. So we've got this curve here, and then we turn it over. Ta-da! Please share your pictures of your origami hearts using the hashtag #It'sCarersO'Clock. Carers O'Clock is a culture shift project developed to support carers at home during the COVID-19 crisis. You can find out more on our website www.cultureshift.org.uk.